Very hard to see what Ford has actually refreshed on the 2024 F-150. But look a little more closely and the changes start to emerge. The chin has been reworked, with Ford squaring up the profile of the front to create a firmer and more muscular stance and fascia. The bumper on the F-150 is also new. Ford has also subtly updated the styling at the front and the back of the pickup truck, as well as adding its new Pro Access tailgate to the rear. The headlights have undergone a redesign, with new LED strips forming a C shape on the corners of the F-150's nose. Speaking of the Pro Access tailgate, it's probably the most noticeable and hopefully most welcome addition to the new F-150. The tailgate features a swing-out door in the middle of the traditional drop-down gate, and it can open in 37, 70, and 100-degree increments. Easier access is then available for the items that the owner has in the bed. The 37-degree increment allows the tailgate to open with a trailer attached. Gone is the naturally aspirated 3.3-liter V6 base engine. Now in its place comes the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, which is now the standard F-150 powertrain. This has 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque on offer. For the rest of the powertrain options, Ford has retained the 5.0-liter V8 engine, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, and the current hybrid powertrain from the outgoing model of the F-150. The F-150 Raptor R still has a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 under the hood, but Ford has teased a power increase to over 700 horsepower for the extreme full-size performance pickup. With all that power also comes best-in-class max towing capacity of 13,500 pounds and best-in-class maximum payload of 2,455 pounds. Merge all that with tech like Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, Pro Trailer Backup Assist, Smart Hitch. Don't forget about Pro Power Onboard, the game-changing mobile generator function Ford rolled out a few years ago. Pro Power Onboard is still a major F-150 selling point. According to Ford itself, the Lariat comes standard with a 5.0-liter V8, leather interior, 20-inch chrome-like VPD wheels, Sync 4 with enhanced voice recognition, Ford Blue Cruise, a banging 8-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, Pro Power Onboard, intelligent access with push-button start, and adaptive cruise control, among some other goodies. You can also upgrade to the Power Boost full hybrid V6, a head-up display, the Pro Access tailgate, and a really killer-looking black appearance package.